This is how to create label in Jira. If you have an existing issue in your project, just choose the project, for instance, mobile app. I'll click the work or issue. And in the right side, go to labels and click none and label this as front end. So this will be your new label, and just click outside this text field to save your label. You can also add label by creating an issue or work type. So just click create, choose a project and choose a work type. Let's say this will be backend dev, and go to labels. We'll add a label, backend, and we'll click this and click outside to save the label and add a due date and start date. And just click assign to me and click create. Now let's go to labels again to see if there is backend. So this is how to create label in Jira.